This is the range extender. Sarah, can you let me talk?
No, I want to talk.
Okay, you talk after I finish.
Okay.
Okay. This is the range extender for the Phantom 4. I just ordered it. Surprisingly, there's a little price on it. It says $2. I don't know if that's how much it costs Skyreat to make to order them from China. Matter of fact, it says made in China. No. Yeah, I'm not done.
Okay.
All right. Sorry guys, but girls will always be girls. So this is it. I'm gonna open it so you can see what's in it and what it looks like.
What does it look like?
This is what it looks like, Zara. Okay. You get your little nice and soft cloth to clean it.
Wow.
And this is the actual extenders.
Can I touch it?
Really simple, nothing else in the box.
Yay!
I will go ahead and try them out and let you guys know well, what it is. All right, if it's really real or is it fake, we will find out. All right.
Bye.
Thank you and stay tuned.
Bye.
Now you can talk.
Bye. So, hi guys. Today it's me and we're gonna do something that
I am just gonna open it, girl.
Hey!
It's very hard to open.
My turn. Daddy,
This is
it's
the
my
African way
turn.
of opening things.
Daddy, it's my turn.
Yes, it is your turn.
So, we have something, and my dad knows everything about Honolulu, and we also have to check right here, and you put your eyes here, and you have to look
You gotta
at,
clean this off.
you have to put this, and you can see anything you want to see, and my dad doesn't let me watch Princess Play-Doh, but he moves to,
Clean off.
yeah.
Ready to go.